In this video I'm going to show you how to add date and time in Google Forms. It is very easy. We will open a new Google Form or use an existing one. So the next step will be to add a new question. So what we will do, we will go to this menu on the right side and there you will find the plus sign to add a new question. Select that option and then say something like, at which date are you available? Now once you have added that question, then you will see that it automatically selects the date option. But if it does not, then select this menu, go all the way down and then you will find the date option. Select that, and now once people are answering this question, make sure it is required to answer this question. And as you can see, there is now an option that people can select the date when they are available at a calendar. So the next step is of course to add a time. So what we will do, we will add a new question and then we will just copy this title and then we will change the question a little bit. So we will change the word date into time, and once we have selected that, then you can select the option date again, go all the way down to time, select that, and then you are asking at which time are you available. Now always make sure that this one is also required, so people have to fill it in before they can proceed to another question. So make sure that this is selected and now we will preview it. So preview your form and then you will see that we have successfully added date and time into our form. As you can see, if I scroll a little bit down, here are our new questions. At which date are you available? So people have to select a date at this calendar. Let's say today. And then they can add a time also. So at which time are you available? Let's say 1 p.m. Now select it, then they have to fill in 00 and now they have successfully selected the time at which they are available. And this is how you add date and time into a Google form. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!